Hey friends, it's Jean. I am back with another great gift idea. We are making Play-Doh! Yes! We'll be using the stove, so make sure you grab a grown-up. Let's do this! Oh, just realized I have to go plug in my burner. I'll be right back. Can you keep an eye on everything while I'm gone? Okay, I'm back. Everything cool? Oh, well, hi Elfie. I didn't know you were baking with me today. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab a heavy pot. To the pot, we're going to add 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Excuse me, Elfie. Need to just grab a spatula. And you're just going to stir your dry ingredients together. Next to our pot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and the food coloring of your choice. Now we're going to take this pot to the stove and set it on medium-high heat. We're going to stir it the whole time until it forms a ball. Once your Play-Doh forms a ball, carefully remove the pot from the stove and empty it into a big bowl to cool down. Today I'm making 2 colors of Play-Doh, so I'm going to go ahead and repeat that whole recipe, but this time I'm going to use a different color. Oh, looks like I forgot my bowl. I'll be right back. So once your Play-Doh is cooled completely, you can package it up for your friends. Whatever jar you use, make sure it has a lid that seals on tight. There! Doesn't that make the nicest gift? Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. We'll see you soon.